my dear friends. My name is Arya Atul Bhagwat. I am going to tell you a famous story from history called Afzal Khan Bhet. Long ago, there was an enemy general named Afzal Khan. He was sent to defeat the great Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. But he was dangerous and clever. He wanted to use tricks, not a fair fight. So he sent an invitation to meet at foothill of Pratapgarh Fort. In that invitation, it said, Maharaj, let us have a peaceful meeting. Let us settle this with talks. And the Maratha soldiers said, Maharaj, it's a trap. But still, Shivaji Maharaj still agreed to the meeting. Before the meeting, he wore armor under his clothes and carried small, sharp wagnak, which is also called as tiger claws. At the meeting, Afzal Khan said, Maharaj, give me a hug. As they hugged, Afzal Khan started attacking Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. But Shivaji Maharaj was alerted and fighted back with his wagnak. And Afzal Khan said, now you can't escape. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj replied, no, I will not give up. I will fight for my people and my land. By his courage and fast thinking, Afzal Khan was defeated. The Maratha soldiers were already prepared and rushed over and protected their king. After that, Shivaji Maharaj was safe and victorious. The Maratha soldiers shouted, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharajcha Vijay Aso, Shivaji Maharajcha Vijay Aso. Moral of the story, braveness and intelligence leads to victory. Not by size, not by might, but by wisdom comes the right. Thank you.